Hello, good morning everyone. This time of pandemic, the demand for the safe and secured community is a must and our priority as well. That's why our developer decided to design a house that meets this demand.
So Jamaica Realty and Marketing Corporation proudly presents our post-pandemic response designer series.